I start talking. I was like, you didn't start it. What's happening here is I'm getting into these 2 boxes here. And why are you standing like that? What? These eyebrow tint, I gotta fix the front of this one. I'm gonna retint this one. Anywho. All I'm trying to do is start these declutter videos. I am tired. I done did about 5 videos, 6, 7 videos of different areas. Mainly that kitchen. That kitchen was overwhelming. I'm in the room and I'm about to proceed because I've been doing videos every couple days, every day so far the last couple days in this room. But people like her won't let me be great. Like, why are you just... I just wanted to declutter these boxes. I wanted to open these boxes up and show you what I start taking up. I'll be back, y'all.